Some of my Hebrew students get confused between the words of Tzarikh and Khayav. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use each of these two super essential words. Brought to you by Kapara Productions, let's dive straight into it. We'll start off with the word Tzarikh. This word can be translated as I need or I should. When conjugating it, ani, ata, hu, tzarich, ani, at, hi, tzricha, אנחנו, אתם, הם, צריכים, אנחנו, אתן, הן, צריכות. Now, let's look at the word Khayav. The word Khayav has two separate meanings. It can either be used as I must or I need to, or it can be also used as I owe something to someone, such as money or time. Let's conjugate Khayav. Ani, ata, hu, Khayav. Ani, at, hi, Khayevet. אנחנו, אתם, הם, חייבים. אנחנו, אתן, הן, חייבות. Now, it's time to look at some examples. אני צריך לעזוב ב-7 בערב. I need to leave at 7 p.m. אני חייבת ללכת למסיבה הזו. I must go to that party. אהלן חבר'ה, מה אתם צריכים? Hey guys, what do you need? תגיד, כמה כסף אני חייב לך? Tell me, how much money do I owe you? Notice how here I use the word Khayav as an owing. אוף, אנחנו חייבים ללכת לבקר אותו? Oh, come on, do we have to go visit him? הבנות צריכות להגיע בעוד רגע. The girls should be arriving in a moment. A cool aspect about the usage of Tzarikh and Khayav is that there are cases that you don't need to use a subject before these verbs, as you usually have to do in the Hebrew language. Let's look at the following examples. צריכים לעזור לה. אנחנו צריכים לעזור לה. These two sentences are not necessarily the same. In the first sentence, the speaker is stating that someone needs to help her, not necessarily the speaker, him or herself. In the second sentence, however, the speaker is saying, we need to help her. The same thing happens with the word Khayav, but only when it's used as I must, and not when it's used as I owe. Examples: חייבים לעשות משהו. אנחנו חייבות לעשות משהו. Someone must do something. We must do something. Notice how in the first sentence, when we generalize an action, we use the plural masculine form, regardless if the speaker is a single male or female, or many males or females. We saw the same thing happening in the previous example with tzrichim. In the second sentence, however, the word Khayav must be conjugated to the correct form. Since in this hypothetical sentence we have a group of females speaking, I used the conjugation Khayavot. Please notice, when we're not generalizing an action and we want to use Tzarikh and Khayav without a subject before it, we need to conjugate the word according to the gender it's representing. Examples: חייבת להיות כאן מסעדה. There must be a restaurant here. The noun misada is feminine, that's why I use the conjugation of חייבת. צריכים להיות 200 אנשים בחתונה. There should be 200 people at the wedding. Here I use צריכים as we're speaking about many people. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!